Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by naming the exact page or topic you want to rank and gathering 5 to 10 seed keywords that reflect user intent. Once done, open Ahrefs Keywords Explorer and set the country and language so results match your audience. Next, paste seeds and run the query. You want a broad list fast. Make sure to toggle match types, phrase and exact, and glance at volume and KD columns to filter out impossibly competitive targets before moving on. Now focus on expansion and realistic selection. Use suggestions, phrase match, and related reports to multiply keyword ideas, then filter by KD and volume to shortlist targets with achievable difficulty. Once you have candidates, inspect the SERP overview and top pages. Check referring domains, URL rating, and content length to estimate how much effort you'll need. At the same time, prioritize keywords with featured snippets or people also ask opportunities. These give fast wins when you shape content to answer specific user questions. Finish by mapping each shortlisted keyword to a specific page and assigning primary and secondary targets. Export your keyword list as CSV, import priority terms into Ahrefs Rank Tracker, and schedule content drafts with clear headings and intent-focused CTAs. Once live, monitor rankings and traffic for 2 to 4 weeks. If you don't see movement, reevaluate search intent and KD. Sometimes the SERP favors different content formats, so adjust structure or target lower KD variations to gain traction.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.